Good day! The given video lesson is dedicated to working with layouts and desktops of VOLFIX.NET platform. The first thing I would like to pay your attention to: desktop function is only working along with the layout function. That is, saving desktops means saving them in layouts. Now, let's consider this issue more deeply and then return to desktops control. What is the layout function intended for? Layout function allows you to save the list of opened windows, i.e. all windows open and their position at the moment during layout saving will be saved. Next, you also can save the size of windows, their situation, whether the given windows are minimized or maximized. Also, in every window the layout function saves the enter ticker as well as time frame of each window. Also, you can save some important functions of each window, for example, grid function, the way of chart drawing on timeline. Stay on top, position a window on top of all windows. Open and close settings of each window. web indicator is also saved. Match contract function, whether it's on or off. Line type, if you set such types of line as GTS, day, etc., it means saving layout, you will save each type of line. Date and time are saved as well. The date is saved intellectually. What does it mean? If at the moment of saving the date is identified as today's date, the last date is today's date, then upon loading of layout the current date will be set. That is, the platform identifies you working with the current situation, not with the history data. Thus, each morning you open the platform with the save layout, you load the current today's date. Saving the first date from may be saved in two regimes. You save the concrete date, set personally by you, or it may contain the quantity of days. For example, you set the range of 2 weeks, then every day upon loading the platform may make offset of 1 day. The last date will be replaced with today's one. And here it will change the date for 1 day. How you can set such regime? It's set in main window, we open global options. Here we got function layout save numbers of days. It allows you to save the number of days selected from every window. If you turn it off, then the initial date will be saved as it's set, and the number of days will be increased. Layout function doesn't save other settings except specified below. You can save filters, set of lines, color settings, as well as options. These settings are loaded along with the platform automatically and are stored on our servers. In moment of changing, you save type of window, tool and time frame. That is, all filters are automatically saved when installing and saved together with the window on our servers and don't apply to the layout. You should save the layout for the second time only if something I mentioned below is changed. You shouldn't resave layout each time. What else can we say about layout? Every platform login has layout less close function. It's created automatically, and closing platform it saves the last settings of windows, their position and so forth. But please notice that less close layout is not the safest layout type. That is, in case you set up something important for you, then save it separately for sure. You open layout, press save button, enter its name. For example, let's create the following probe layout. Press enter and the layout is saved. We see it in a list among other. Now let's turn to desktop saving. As I said before, desktop function exists only within layout function. What is desktop for? Basically, this tool is useful for those clients who work with minimum number of monitors and several instruments. What are the features of desktop? It doesn't say the list of open windows. For this you should use layout. Desktop saves the form of window, whether it's minimized, maximized, its position and size. Thus, If you want to set certain open windows and for efficient work with them, at first you need to open all necessary windows, set up all the needed tools, and only after that you should save the desktop. How does it work? Let's click 6E. There I've got two active windows. All other windows are closed, as you may see. What is this for? This is designed for a quick switch between working windows. For example, you're observing several tools: CNP 500, Euro-Dollar pair futures, RI futures, it means Russian market. Let's set it up in order to understand how the desktop function works. We open cluster profile, set up needed tool in there, then open box chart, set RI ticket in there. All unnecessary windows should be switched off. Then we have to save this desktop for RI ticker. Want to draw your attention that in every context menu window, clicked by right mouse button, there's a desktop function. Also, there are hotkeys to call this function. So we see our created desktop. Click RI, click Apply. So we see the desktop ready. After switching to 6E or ES, RI desktop disappears, and vice versa. By clicking on Add button, you can enter the name of this desktop and then apply it to other open windows. Once again, after creating these desktops, you need to switch to Traders Rating window, go to Layout, click Save Layout, and press Enter. Then the given desktops will be saved along with this layout. That's all. Thanks for watching. We are glad to help you with any question. Write on our emails given on our website. Cheers!